Everybody, I am A.N. Tiwari and today I am going to share my feelings upon the National Sport Day. You know that all work and no play made Jack a dull boy. How playing games are important for us. And we know that August 29 is celebrated as the National Sport Day in India. It is the birthday of legend Major Dhyan Chand, one of the best sportsmen ever to have graced game of hockey. Hockey always has a special place among Indians. He was a good player and from 1922 started playing in army hockey tournament. Due to his skills, he was selected to play in the Indian army team which was to tour New Zealand in 1926. Our generation sometimes took back with sense of disbelief about the golden era of Indian hockey. When India won 3 Olympic gold medals in field hockey in 1928, 36, 32 and 36. That era was led by none other than Dhyan Chand, who scored 33 goals in 12 matches. Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad to Someshwar Dutt Singh. Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army at the age of 16 years and never played hockey during his childhood. Slowly, he was adapted to the game and processed quickly to represent India. His team won 18 matches out of 21 in the tournament of Dhyan Chand was greatly appreciated for his performances. He was promoted to Lance Naik upon his return to India. Field hockey was reintroduced in 1928 Amsterdam Olympic and the Indian Hockey Federation IHF wanted to send its best team for the event. Dhyan Chand, with his great performance in the inaugural national, secured a place in the team. The Indian team went to Amsterdam and beat the Dutch, German, Belgian teams in the pre-Olympic matches by huge margins. Dhyan Chand scored 3 goals in India's debut Olympic match against Austria, beating 6-0. India also won the matches against Belgium, Denmark and Switzerland on their way to finals. In the final match, held on 26th, 1928, the team still managed to beat Netherlands by 3-0 and India won her first Olympic gold medal. Dhyan Chand emerged as the hero of the 1928 Olympics by scoring 14 goals in the 5 matches. India's first match in the 1932 Olympic was against Japan, which is won by 11-1. It proved to be a good omen as India went to win many other matches before triumphing in the finals to clinch the gold once again. In the 1936 Olympic, Dhyan Chand displayed unbelievable skills with his hockey stick that a German newspaper carried a banner headlines. The Olympic complex now has a magic show too. The next day, posters was displayed all over Berlin, which shows visit the hockey stadium to watch the Indian magician Dhyan Chand in action. There is also a legendary story saying that his skills were so good and godly that in one instant his opponents went on to physically check his hockey sticks if there is a special glue which sticked the ball to his stick. He scored over 400 goals in his career from 1926 to 1948. After pushing his stamp on international hockey arena and having served his country to reach his pinnacles of glory multiple times, Dhyan Chand passed away on 3rd December 1979. He remains a legendary figure in Indian and world hockey. The most noted memorial for him is Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in the sports and games in India, and the National Sport Day celebrated on his birthday. Friends, sports is a very important activity for students. It is an activity which can help us to develop multiple qualities like sense of togetherness, leadership, skills, stamina, physical strength, planning and strategy, patriotism, and teamwork. These qualities help us to excel in life. National Sports Day is not only tribute to one of the greatest in the games, but also reminds us the importance of sports in our life. India celebrates its National Sports Day every year on 29th August. The day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player, as we knew, Major Dhyan Chand Singh. This date, 29th of August, happens to be the birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand, who made India proud by his extraordinary sporting skills. He was the greatest hockey player India has ever seen. During his sports career, Dhyan Chand had won 3 Olympic medals and till date remains the only hockey player who has received the Padma Bhushan award. He had won the Olympic medals 6 times in a row of India in hockey. His lifetime awards and achievements in sports are considered as the highest point in the history of Indian sports. On this day, sport persons commemorate this day in a sportive way. The President of India bestows prestigious awards such as Arjuna Awards, Dronacharya Awards, Dhyan Chand Award, etc. to sport persons who have contributed to growth of sports of all through their sports career and also after retirement. A lot of schools throughout the country celebrate this day as their annual sport day, and young people are also encouraged and made aware of possibilities in sports and what all advancement the country has originated in sports. Salute to Major Dhyan Chand and the sport spirit of India. Thank you so much. Thank you, Principal Sir, and thank you all school authority. Thank you, children. Thank you very much. Thank you.